Good morning, my dear children. How are you? After a long time, I am going to start a lesson. Right? Okay. Now, let's see about Sclerenchyma. How do you pronounce? Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple tissue. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple tissue. Once again, I will tell you, plant tissue is divided into two types. Yes, plant tissue is divided into two types. That is meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Okay, meristematic tissues are divided into three types. That is apical meristem, lateral meristem and intercalary meristem. And permanent tissues are divided into two types. That is simple tissues and complex tissues. In simple tissues, subdivided into three types. Simple tissue subdivided into three types. That is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. How do you read? Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Dermal tissues and ground tissues are examples of simple tissue. Which one is examples of simple tissue? Dermal tissues and ground tissues. These two tissues are examples of simple tissues. The ground tissues is present in three types. Yes, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Ground tissues are present in three types. That is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. In the previous class, we learned about parenchyma and collenchyma. Yes. Now, let's see about sclerenchyma. How do you read? Sclerenchyma. Okay. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple tissue. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple tissue. This is a simple type of simple tissue. Which one? Sclerenchyma. It is made up of thick walled dead cells. Sclerenchyma is a type of simple tissue. It is made up of thick walled dead cells. It is made up of thick walled dead cells. There is no space between dead cells. See the picture? The cells are made up of dead cells. It is made up of thick-walled dead cells. Between two cells, there is no spaces. Between two cells, there is no spaces. Okay. In the cell wall, see, this is a cell wall. In the cell wall, there is a substances. In the cell wall, there is a substance. That substance is called lignin. See, this is a cell wall. Cell wall, how it's present? Thick like structure. Thick like structure. In the cell wall, thickened substance is present, that is called as the lignin. That is called as the lignin. The cell wall, see, thickened substance is present. In the cell wall, thickened substance is present. What is substance name? Lignin. Lignin. How do you say? Lignin. See the picture. This is cell wall. This is cell wall. In the cell wall, the thick substances is called as the lignin. Thickened substance is called as the lignin. What is the uses of Sclerenchyma tissue? What is the use of Sclerenchyma tissue? It gives mechanical strength to the plant body. What is the use of Sclerenchyma tissue? It gives mechanical support or mechanical strength to the plant body. For example, in our body, which gives strength to our body? Bone. Yes or no? Bone only gives strength to our body. Yes. Like that, Sclerenchyma tissue gives mechanical strength to the plant. In our body, bone only gives strength. Yes or no? Like that, the Sclerenchyma tissue gives mechanical strength to the plant. Okay. Sclerenchyma tissues are present in two types. Sclerenchyma present in two types. That is fibers and then sclerids. Fibers and then sclerids. How do you read? Sclerids. Sclerenchyma tissue present in two types. That is fibers and then sclerids. How do you read? Sclerids. Now, let's see about fibers. This is, how do you read? Fibers. See, fibers are made up of elongated. Fibers are made up of elongated cells. Okay. See the picture. Fibers are made up of elongated cells. They have a small pits in their wall. See, in fiber, this is a fiber, no? The fiber cell wall, small pits are present. Small pits are present. See the picture, small pits are present. Cells are elongated. Cells, how it's present? Elongated. In the cell wall, there is a bits. In the bits, where it is present? In the cell wall. In the cell wall. The cells are, how it's present? Elongated structure. Cells are present in elongated structure. Okay. Fibers are present in the outer cortex. Fibers, where it is present? Outer cortex. What is the meaning of cortex? See the picture. What is the meaning of cortex? See the picture. This is a transverse section of root hair. This is a transverse section of root hairs. The below part of the epidermis is called cortex. Okay. Outer layer is called epidermis. Below part of the epidermis is called as the cortex. See, this part is called as the cortex. Okay. Fibers, where it is present? In the cortex region. Cortex, where it is present? Below part of the epidermis. Below part of the epidermis. And then fibers present in midrib of leaves. Midrib of leaves. What's the meaning of midrib? The center part of the leaf is called midrib. See, the center thick vein is called midrib. Okay, the center part of the thick vein is called midrib. Okay, and then fibers are present in xylem and phloem. Fibers are present in xylem and phloem. Again I recall, fibers where it's present. Fibers present in cortex and then pericycle of stem and then midribs of leaves. Midribs of leaves. What's the meaning of midribs? The leaf center thick vein is called midrib and xylem phloem. What is the help of xylem? What is the help? One tube-like structure present in the plants. Xylem phloem, how it's present? Like a tube-like structure. Okay, what is the help of xylem? To transport the water from the roots to all over the plants. What is the help of phloem? To transport the food material from the leaves to all over the plants. It's present, how it's present, xylem and phloem. It's present like a tube-like structure. It's present tube-like structure. Okay. It's present in tube-like structure. And then examples of fibers are cotton and jute fibers. Examples of fiber: cotton. Cotton is a fiber. Then jute. Jute is a fiber. Okay. Cotton and then jute. These are examples of fiber. Understand, students? Next we see about sclerids. What do you read? Sclerids. It is made up of small oval shaped cells. Sclerids made up of small oval shaped cells. Cells are how it's present? Small and oval shaped cells. Simple pits are present. Simple pits are present in the thick wall, thick cell wall. Simple pits where it is present? Outer layer of the thick cell wall. Okay. Sclerids are present in seed coat. Sclerids where it is present? Seed coat. This is a seed. Okay. Sclerids are present in seed coat and bulb of fruits. See, this is bulb of fruits. Okay. Sclerids where it is present? Seed coat and then bulb of fruits. Okay. What is the meaning of seed coat? What is the meaning of seed coat? The outer layer of the seed is called seed coat. See, outer layer of seed is called seed coat. Okay. What is the meaning of bulb of fruits? What is the meaning of bulb of fruits? The juicy part of a fruit is called, see, this is juicy part, no? The juicy part of a fruit is called bulb of fruit. Okay. Sclerids where it's present? Sclerids are present in seed coat and then bulb of fruits. Sclerids where it's present? Seed coat and then bulb of fruit. Bulb of fruits. Okay. What is the uses of sclerids? Sclerids is used for critique. Critique texture. Sclerids used for gritty texture and crunchiness. Gritty texture and crunchiness. See, crunchiness to this part. Why seeds are looking like this? Because presence of sclerids. In which part? Seed coat and bulb of fruits. Seed coat and then bulb of fruits. Okay. Again I recall you. Fibers. Fibers and sclerids are type of Sclerenchyma tissue. The cells of fibers are elongated structure. Okay. In the cell wall, simple pits are present. Okay. And then fibers are present in cortex and then pericycle of stem and then midrib of leaves. Xylem and phloem. Okay. Fibers where is present? Cortex region, pericycle of stem and midrib of leaves and xylem, phloem. Okay. Next, sclerids. The cells of sclerids are small and oval shaped structure. Okay. In the cell wall, bits are present. A thickened cell wall is called as the lignin. Thickened cell wall is called as the lignin. Sclerids are present in seed coat and bulb of fruits. Bulb of fruits. Have you understand, students? Okay. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.